Hello các em, chị là Ivy và welcome to the tutorial of the collocation homework. Today I'm going to show you how to do this homework, okay? So you can find your collocation homework right here with the instruction of how to do it, and please read it carefully because I have written everything down very detailedly. So for this homework, I want you to expand your vocab in terms of collocations. And what you're going to do is to first find one verb, one noun, one adjective, and one adverb related to the topic. And the topic will change every week when I give this homework to everybody. And the example today is business, okay? And I will also provide the resources to help you find the appropriate and effective or advanced words that can collocate with the words that you have found above that are related to the topic of business, okay? And then for each of the word form, as you can see, you would have to pair them with suitable word forms, okay? And I will show you how to do it right now. Let me open up the tools. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do is to find the words are related to the topic of the assignment, which is business first, right? So we're going to go to Google and then we're going to search vocab related to business. And there are many different sources. You can pick whichever, is up to you. I like to use Dictionary Cambridge because it is one of the very proper and academic dictionaries out there. And I click on it, and then I'm going to write down the words that I want to use for the homework. So I'm going to pick employment as my noun, and then I'm going to pick, churn as my verb. Okay. And then I need an adjective. I'm going to pick contestable. And then an adverb would be commercially. Okay, so in case you don't know which word form each word is, you can always click on it and check, and it should say right here noun. Okay, so let's use noun as an example of how you can find the collocations that have noun, have the word appointment in it. So for the noun, I have to find two adjectives and two verbs that collocate with it. I'm going to start with the tool justtheword.com and try to find the collocations that have appointment in it. So I put in appointment, and I have to find two adjectives. I look down this list right here, and then we see adjective and appointment. And you see a list of adjectives that go with the word appointments. The numbers here indicate how rare a collocation is. So for example, academic appointment has only a point or a score of 13, comparing to new appointment that has a score of 167. Then obviously academic appointment is rarer than new appointment. New appointment is more popular used, okay? So you definitely want to use the ones that are more or less popular. That can really help increase your score in terms of having less popular, less common collocations in your speech, okay? If you see anything that you like here, you can type it down. I don't see anything I like, and I thought I would check out Scale and see if Scale has better results for me, and you want to pick word sketch for your results. And then you can see that they have verbs that go with appointment. You also have to find verbs, right? You can always use more verbs, okay, with appointment as an object. Schedule appointment, okay? We can schedule appointment. And then we have book appointments. So you have two collocations that have the verbs that go with the word appointment, and then we also need to find adjectives, and we have pensionable appointment, and also discretionary. Come on. Okay. So on the websites here, skull doesn't really define the meaning of each collocation. So what you want to do is, if you find a collocation you don't understand, you can Google it, add a definition or define, and they can define it for you. So for example, permanent and pensionable appointments mean appointments to an established position with a view of long-term employment and subject to pension benefits. So that means that they are jobs that are long-term, and you also have pension benefits. Hay nói cách khác, nếu phải dịch ra tiếng Việt, chị muốn chúng ta phải luyện dịch trong tiếng Anh, nhưng chị sẽ hỗ trợ mình bằng cách dịch trong tiếng Việt. Có nghĩa là gì? Pension appointment or pensionable appointments là những cái công việc mà sẽ thuê mình lâu dài và cho mình cái chế độ lương hưu. Ok? Rồi, sau đó cái việc mình phải làm sau khi mình đã tìm được 4 cái collocations theo như hướng dẫn bài tập á, thì bây giờ mình sẽ phải đặt câu. Okay? So what you want to do is you click on Scout, and they will help you with the sentences. Okay, you see examples here, and you can always click on the icon to open a new window, and then you can use the examples here. Okay, and I want you to show me that you know how to make up the sentences yourself, like how to use the word or the collocations in a sentence. What you want to do is you can reference the sentences here, but I want you to understand how to use it and what it means by making up a new sentence based on the references here. Okay, so maybe you can change the sentence to make it your own by saying, please, by paraphrasing it. Okay, so you can always say, please you can change arrive to maybe please show up 10 minutes early for all scheduled appointments. So I understand that you understand how to use a collocation in a sentence. Okay, and then you have to make up a sentence for each collocation here. Okay, and then repeat the process for each word as well. All right. If you have any questions, please contact me, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your concerns or queries that you have about this assignment. Okay, thank you.